Hey guys, sorry about my hair. I want to teach you something about life. I want to teach you how to actually grow yourself in a way that you're air riding. Okay, now when you're doing some air riding, all you want to do is you get your finger and look how I do it. So what I'm doing there is I'm air riding. That's what air riding is. So those people who understand how to air ride can actually boost their cognitive function in life. So if you want to do some air writing today, all you do is you get a finger, right? And you draw in the air. You draw in the air your life. You draw, you plan, you talk about things in your head, but you don't talk about it in your head. You talk about it with your finger. Okay? So when I talk to myself, I just get my finger and I'm starting to write words in the air. That's it. And I can actually read the words from my finger. I don't have to think inside of my head to be able to comprehend what I say. I can use hand movements. Okay, I can start doing hand movements. And when I do hand movements like this, just with the finger, I can draw, like, for example, I love you. I do I. I see how it goes. And I draw words in the air as I silently speak to myself with my finger. It's very simple. Many people don't know about this trick. Many people, you have to understand this is a life skill, okay? So when you are doing air riding, you can be dancing and air riding and nobody will know. Nobody's going to know that you're dancing and writing words while you're dancing. You can do it anytime, you can do it at work, you can do it anywhere in life. You can do it in jail. If you ever ended up in jail, okay, you know what will happen? You start air writing in jail. You don't need a book. You don't need anything other than your finger, okay, and yourself. And you just, like, you don't even need a pen to draw on. You don't even need anything to draw words in the air except your finger. Okay? And now when you are writing with your finger, okay, look how I do it. I love you. I drew I love you with my finger, but I don't need to say it to you. Look, I'll do it. I'll do it in silent mode. I just wrote I love you with my finger. What's another example? I just wrote hey, hey, like hello, hey, for example. So you have to realize when you're talking, for example, you're writing words in the air and you're just looking to talk to yourself with your finger. Don't talk to yourself in your head, talk to yourself with your finger. You know, so as you're drawing words, you'll be able to realize, for example, what you're writing by your hand movements. It's so simple and it's such a technique that I'm using it in my daily life while I drive, while I'm doing anything in life. And I find I can think, I can have clarity, I can stimulate my mind, I can improve myself, I can improve my cognitive function, I can improve my focus, I can look better, I can feel better, I can do whatever I want, and I can think with my finger.